We're gonna check out train museum in the lower deck. Here's a cable card, and there's the museum. Oh. So it's a model train. Wow. No, it's okay. You not? Wow. It's like rows of train and train and train. Oh. This is huge. Oh, train's coming, Sina. Train coming. Incoming. It's the Santa Fe. So there's a lot of exhibit here for the engine, different train types. Oh, so detail oriented. So that wood's that's real wood stick. Wow, these trains. That's a small one too. These are cute. And then you just circle around this huge area. There's like places that people can fix. Oh, these are like still being built right now. Empty tracks. Look at this. So detailed, each houses and city. And you can see the train, this conductor over there is like fixing and doing the stuff. That big business. City. Outside theater. They're controlling the controller.
Long trains that you have, you have like weights in some of the cars so that it doesn't pull them off in the curve.
Oh, rain coming.
There's an NMRA standard you do for every inch of the train. There's so many ounces the car is supposed to weigh, so that they
Don't get pulled off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because sometimes you get them and they're too light and they will just. But remember also, these are much bigger radius curves than you would have at home.
Tehachapi Loop. They have a whole model on Tehachapi Loop. Whoa! The Tehachapi Loop. Yeah. Very slowly flashing. Looks so real. Now we're at the Pacific Desert Line. Oh, look how detailed that is. The railroad. Wow. Bigger train. Coming. The cars, dude. Oh, the train coming very fast. North Encina? Oh.
They were 15 cents, right? They might have been 5.
Oh.
First one I ever saw.
Thanks for coming by and seeing us. Of course. We'll see you again.
It's on fire. Rebellion.
Huh? I think the train's coming.可以我就来回转了。可以播放。Huh?